In this Katalist Storytelling Studio review, I'm going to be showing you an AI tool that can help you turn your scripts into visual stories with customizable scenes, characters and prompts. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you a complete tutorial of Katalist AI and how you can do all that amazing things. So going back to the Appsumo page of Katalist Storytelling Studio, so it is best for content creators, marketing agencies, videographers, and it can be an alternative to Adobe, Photoshop, Canva, and Miro. So Katalist Storytelling Studio lets you choose from two visual styles. So the first visual style is sketch and the second one is cinematic. So you can choose between both of these styles. I'm going to be showing this later in the video. And it helps you to create characters, scenes and activities. It also creates a storyboard with multiple frames. As you can see in the screenshot right over here, it has created multiple frames and a storyboard. So I'm going to be creating a scene like this later in the video. So Katalist Storytelling Studio helps you to edit characters and scenes directly in the frame. And it also helps you to select the main characters. So as you can see in the screenshot right over here, so if you don't like this character over here, you can choose another character from all of this. You can also change the character's location and control their limbs. You can add any object wherever you want in that scene. So in the screenshot, it is clearly visible. You can use all of this to change the person's limbs, arms, or whatever you want it to be. So after you have created the visual story, you can export the visual story into a PowerPoint presentation or either as a zip file or MP4, and it has got more flexibility as well. So this is like one of the scene that has created by Katalist Storytelling Studio. Now let's go to the plans and features. So it gives you a lifetime access to this product right over here. And it has over 32 character library, so you can choose any of the characters from it. You can import the product from CSV, Word, PowerPoint presentation, etc. And it also guarantees you a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can return the product within 60 days and you can get your money back. Now let's move on to the license tier of Katalist. So the first license tier can help you generate up to 250 images per month. Then the second license tier will give you unlimited images per month. Then the third license tier is gonna give you unlimited images per month as well as 5 users and real-time collaborations in the project. So for most people, I think the license tier 2 is gonna be more than enough. Now we are going to be jumping into the tutorial of Katalist AI. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you click the link down below in order to purchase Katalist AI, as you are going to be getting a 10% off from my side. So this is how Katalist AI looks at the front end. So in order to create a new project, click here. So they are asking the project name. I'm going to keep it Project X. And the art style, I'm not gonna go for sketch, I'm gonna go for cinematic. Then for the aspect ratio, you can choose between landscape, square and portrait. So I'm gonna go with the square one right now. I'm gonna click on create. So I have got 3 options. So the first option, I can create all the scenes from scratch, so I don't get any help. I have to make the scenes by myself. And in the second option, the AI will help me create the scenes. So it gives me a good idea and it basically does all the work. And the third option is where I already have an idea generated and I can import those ideas into a CSV file or Word file. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go with the help of the AI. So I have to type in an idea. So I'm gonna type in 30-day weight loss challenge. Now I'm gonna click the button over here. As you can see, Katalist has made me a total of 10 scenes. So the first scene is John wakes up early in the morning, determined to start his 30-day weight loss challenge. He puts on his workout clothes and heads out for a jog. I think it's pretty good, so I'm gonna confirm it. Now Katalist is making me the images, so it takes a little bit of time to get it ready. So all the 10 scenes is generating its images, so let's just wait for now. So as you can see, the scenes have been generated, so you can take a look at this. So almost all the scenes have been generated, and if you want to create new scenes, you have to click on this, and you can make new scenes as well. While I pause the video, I just changed this image over here. I'm sorry about that, but now I'm gonna show you how you can change this character right over here. So I'm gonna press on this button where it say edit, and I'm gonna change this character to maybe this guy, and I'm gonna press on regenerate. So as you can see, the character has changed into that man. So you can change all the characters as you wish. Now if you scroll down, you can see the scenes. So if I want to change the background, all I have to do is press on this. So what I'm gonna type is that jogging early in the morning. So I'm gonna click on save scene and regenerate scenes. As you can see, the scene is being regenerated. Okay, now you can see the scene has been completely regenerated to a morning. So you can type in your prompt as you want, and you can change the characters over here. Okay, now I'm gonna show something different. So for that, you have to click this edit right over here. Okay, now if you want the shots to be straight on shot, low view shot, or top down shot, you can keep it. I'm gonna go with straight on shot. Then instead of the full shot, I'm gonna keep it medium shot. I'm gonna click on generate now. So as you can see, the image has been generated. So I'm gonna click this one. Okay, now this one, it looks good. But in case you want to change how they are positioned, all you have to do is click the button right over here. So all you have to do is just change this one to here, and this guy to here, and this woman to here, and I'm gonna generate this. So the image is being generated. Okay, the image has been generated. Now let's have a look at the clip. So as you can see, the image has positioned the three of them in 3 places as I positioned inside this thing. So I'm gonna choose this one and click this tick button right over here. After I click on this button, I have to go back to storyboard. And as you can see, the image has been changed as per my wish. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Katalist AI. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, which can give you a 10% discount. And I hope to see you on another review video.